Hello everyone, welcome to Chartered Forex channel. In this video, I want to talk about Popgun pattern strategy. To trade the Popgun bar pattern, you must know inside and outside bar. An inside bar is one that is completely engulfed by the bar before it. It presents a concentration in range and a pause in directional market movement. Outside bar is the opposite of inside bar. It engulfs the bar before it. It shows strength in both directions. Popgun is consists of inside followed by an inside bar. We have some important point for taking perfect position. Popgun plus double bottom or double top. When we have a double bottom and here is a Popgun pattern, we go buy in close of Popgun bar. Number 2 point is inside plus outside. This mirror over Popgun pattern is like this. Bear or bullish candle must not be a doji bar. This mirror in Popgun bar pattern, this bar isn't doji. Double bottom or double top plus failure of Popgun bar. When we have a double bottom and here is Popgun bar like this and we go by here and then we see this market is returning down, we must to exit and go sell position.